What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do and I'd greatly appreciate it. I've got my Wright Velke 48-inch hydro walk behind mower here. We're going to be installing and using for the first time a bonus bagger from BAGGER. I will say you can make this on your own with simple tarps and some zip ties. And I will also say this too as well. Since you can make it out of a tarp, understand, especially for you landscapers out there, you do not want to obviously drag this bag or your tarp full of leaves on concrete unless you absolutely have to. Because the reason for this is $80, and if you do that for a long period of time, over time it's going to cause wear and tear, and they tell you that in the directions as well, and give you a warning that, hey, if you're doing this, make sure once it gets full, you're riding your mower or walking your mower or whatever along the grass and not along the sidewalk for a long period of time or along a long driveway of concrete or asphalt. Because again, just like a tarp, it will over time start to rip a hole in this particular bag, or a tarp for that matter. I just wanted to get that out there and make sure you guys know that before purchasing this and or a tarp and doing it the tarp method. So let's move on to installing this. First thing you need to do, go to your bagger, whatever type of bagger you have, take off your back plate here. Mine is just a clip. Pull that, take it off. In the directions, I'll say this: put this in a safe place. Make sure you don't lose it. I had to say that because it's funny, but I don't know, some people might throw that away and think they're done and over with that. But again, common sense, keep it. You're gonna need it again at some point. This is not your fix-all, be-all. Take your bag, bonus bagger, whatever you want to call it. They call it the bonus bagger. Out. They provide you with a strap that is going to go on the back side here to attach it to your original bagger here. Take that out. I'm going to unwrap this off camera, guys, and get this set up for you so we can save some time in the video. Okay, got the bonus bagger out of the packaging, got it unfolded here. It does come unzipped, so you do have to zip it up. The zipper will be up top here, and you will zip it all the way down to the front side here. You do need to feed your ratchet strap through the loops. It has loops on here. Common sense for me, I know that one day these things might rip off from continuous use. It just comes with being a person with common sense and stitching. So be careful when you're attaching and reattaching your ratchet strap, and when you're using this and dragging it on the ground, when you've got heavy leaves and debris in here, just be careful and be a little bit cautious and know that one day these might start to fray and rip off. So you might have to get some sewing kit and redo that, and or find just a different way to reattach it, and or just tighten your ratchet strap that much tighter. Whatever you want to do, it's your product, your money that you spent. For me, I know what I'll be doing. Again, so next thing you want to do is take your long side of your ratchet strap, feed it through the loops of the front side, the open side now, of the bonus bagger here, so that your open side is facing your bagger that you already have for your mower. I fed mine starting with this loop here. Reason being is that when I go to the front of my mower here and I go to take it off and reattach it, I want the longer piece to be laying on the right side, so that when I go to put the bagger back on to my original bagger here, I don't have to get on the ground and look for either one of the loops to reattach it. I'll have my right side here, and then I'll have the actual ratchet strap on this side here. So all I have to do is place my hand here, reach down, grab the loop, put it on, ratchet strap, and then I'm off and going again. Reason being, all you landscapers know out there, time is money, and we want to get things back onto our mower or get back to actually doing the work so we can get in, do the work, do a good job, and get out and get that money. So let's go ahead and attach our bonus bagger to our original bagger. Okay, attaching our bonus bagger onto your original bagger. If you've got a hook like this, make sure this is down so that it doesn't wear a hole in the top side of your bonus bagger or your tarp, whichever one you're using. You don't want that to start cutting and eating through your tarp or your bonus bagger. So just flip that down, grab your bonus bagger, put the bottom on first, and then loop the top part over. Get it to where you want it, and then all you have left to do, again, like I just explained earlier, grab your side here. So again, I'll be facing this way when I go to put it back on. Grab here, grab my loop here, as I'm looking here, just make sure the left side of the bagger is not up underneath the deck, because again, when you go to turn your blades on, it'll cut up your bagger here. So make sure it's far away enough from the bottom side of your deck here and far away enough from your blades. So after that, grab your ratchet strap here, hook it. I'm going to tighten mine up a little bit more before I start ratcheting. That should be good there. I'm going to hook one side in, and then now all we got left to do is ratchet. You guys get the point of that. I'll tighten it up before I use it, but that is how you install your bonus bagger onto your mower. Again, when you're going out on concrete, make sure you're not dragging it for a long period of time, because that underside will start to wear out faster and you'll get a hole, and then obviously your bonus bagger is no longer able to be used how it's intended to be used. We'll note that on the bottom side there, you see it's different from the camo top part. It is a little bit thicker than what I thought it was going to be, so that is great that they thought of putting a thicker bottom on there, knowing that guys will be dragging this through yards and maybe sometimes on pavement and concrete. So I will note that as well. But again, common sense says if you continue to do it, it will start to wear out and wear a hole in the bottom, and then you're out of luck and will have to buy another one or try out the tarp method as well. But again, I do say, now that I see the thickness of this, the tarp will wear out faster and sooner than this one. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm about to go make some money with this. You should too. Try it out. Link in the description.